This is California's massive walnut industry, where billions of walnuts are grown, harvested, and processed at an industrial scale.
California stands at the center of the global walnut industry, producing more walnuts than anywhere else on Earth.
Across hundreds of miles, millions of walnut trees grow in perfect alignment, designed for efficiency and scale.
Long summers, fertile soil, and controlled irrigation create the perfect environment for walnuts to thrive.
All right, this one is full. We need the next truck ready at platform 2. Move it.
This is not just farming. It is a massive industrial system built on precision, scale, and time. Walnuts begin their journey in careful planned commercial orchards, engineered for efficiency and long-term production. These trees take years to mature, producing walnuts season after season for decades. Advanced irrigation systems ensure every tree receives exactly the water it needs to grow.
Throughout the season, orchard health is constantly monitored to protect future harvests.
By late summer, each walnut reaches maturity, hidden inside its green, protective shell.
As autumn arrives, harvest season begins across California's walnut orchards.
Mechanical shakers vibrate each tree, sending thousands of walnuts crashing to the ground.
In just seconds, a single tree releases years of growth onto the orchard floor. Powerful sweepers gather walnuts into rows, preparing them for rapid collection.
In a single day, machines can collect millions of walnuts, turning fields into flowing supply lines.
Once collected, walnuts are immediately loaded for transport to processing facilities.
Speed matters. Walnuts must reach processing plants within hours of harvest.
From remote orchards, walnuts move along rural highways toward industrial processing hubs.
Within hours, walnuts arrive at massive facilities built to handle millions of pounds each season. Inside the factory, walnuts move from raw harvest into industrial processing.
The walnuts are washed clean, preparing them for the critical drying phase.
Powerful hulling machines strip away the outer layer, revealing the hard walnut shell beneath. Controlled heat and airflow slowly reduce moisture, protecting the walnut's quality. At this stage, walnuts are stabilized, marking the end of the first manufacturing phase. Before shelling, walnuts are stored under precise conditions to protect quality.
Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored to prevent damage to the kernels.
This resting period ensures the shells crack cleanly without damaging the kernels. Storage makes it possible to supply fresh walnuts long after harvest ends. With moisture balanced, walnuts are now ready for precise shelling. Now conditioned, walnuts enter machines designed to crack the shell without harming the kernel. Each walnut is cracked with carefully calibrated force, designed to protect the kernel inside. As shells break apart, the edible walnut kernel finally emerges.
Millions of walnuts are cracked every day, moving the process at industrial speed. With shells cracked, the next challenge is separating kernel from shell.
Shell fragments and kernels now move into systems designed to separate them with precision. Air classifiers lift away shell fragments,
leaving heavier kernels behind.
By this stage, most shell material has been removed.
Screens and gravity tables refine the separation, stage by stage.
Next, advanced optical systems will inspect every single kernel. Each kernel now passes through optical sorting systems designed to see what the human eye cannot. High-speed cameras analyze size, color, and surface quality in milliseconds.
In a fraction of a second, flawed kernels are identified and removed.
Every kernel is now graded, sorted, and prepared for final inspection. Only the highest quality kernels continue toward premium packaging.
Before packaging, every walnut must pass strict food safety inspections.
Metal detectors and X-ray systems add another layer of protection.
Strict documentation ensures traceability from orchard to consumer.
Only fully approved walnuts move forward to the final stages.
With safety checks complete, walnuts enter high-speed automated packaging lines.
Automated scales ensure every package meets exact weight standards. In one continuous motion, packages are formed, filled, and sealed. Bulk packaging supports large food manufacturers around the world. From here, packaged walnuts move into storage before global distribution. Sealing systems now prepare walnuts for long-term freshness. By removing oxygen, oxidation and spoilage are dramatically reduced. Inert nitrogen gas protects the walnut's flavor and texture. Advanced sealing dramatically extends shelf life without preservatives. With freshness locked in, walnuts move into cold storage. Every pallet is tracked to ensure precise inventory control.
Cold storage protects flavor and quality long after harvest.
First in, first out systems keep walnuts consistently fresh. From cold storage, walnuts move toward global distribution.
Even small temperature changes are detected instantly.
From storage facilities, walnuts travel hundreds of miles under constant temperature control.
All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the side. Okay. Okay, setting it down now.
At major ports, walnuts enter the global shipping network.
Every shipment must meet international export regulations.
From California, walnuts now travel across oceans to reach the world.
Each shipment must pass local customs before entering domestic markets.
We need these walnut pallets routed to Section 4 immediately.
Confirm receipt over.
Confirmed. The agri-goods container is secured. Proceed to staging Area 3.
These walnuts become ingredients in kitchens and factories worldwide.
From California orchards to tables around the world, the journey is complete.
Sustainability begins in the orchard, where resources are carefully managed.
Precision irrigation delivers water only where it is needed.
Even byproducts find new purpose in a zero-waste system.
By protecting resources today, the industry secures tomorrow.
Renewable energy helps power the walnut industry sustainably.
Robots handle repetitive tasks with speed and accuracy.
Modern walnut processing relies on both automation and skilled human oversight.
AI systems analyze production data to maintain consistent quality.
Smart sensors prevent downtime by predicting problems before they occur. Behind every machine, skilled people keep the system running. The walnut industry operates on a scale few agricultural systems can match.
From orchards to ports, the industry supports countless jobs.
The walnut industry fuels both local communities and global markets.
Global buyers trust walnuts produced under strict standards.
This is more than agriculture, Himaru. It is an economic engine. From farm to factory to export, every step is precisely connected.
Quality is checked again and again at every stage.
Consistency is achieved through precision and repetition. Every day, millions of walnuts move through this system. This is how walnuts are grown, processed, and delivered today. This is the daily rhythm of a working walnut industry.
Precision is not reduced by scale, it is defined by it.
This is how billions of walnuts are harvested and processed every day.